In this video, I'm going to share with you how AI can be used inside your customer platform for insurance professionals. Here's our website, and I created a quick demo just to show you, and I'm going to go through this and share with you exactly how. One, you can do this yourself and create your own demo just to see. Join our Facebook group that I've been sending you in the emails, and really just get this implemented into your business so that you can start using AI to handle all of your day-to-day activities, your follow-ups, your sales calls, your scheduling of appointments, and have basically an extra person, a personal assistant doing all the work for you. So I'm going to walk you through here, and I'm going to show you how this works. Obviously, this is a demo. We're going to create an AI chatbot right here on the website. You can go and do this the same way that I'm doing this. If you go to the website demo.actinora.com. So let's jump into it really quickly, and I'll do this as fast as possible. So here is the AI. Hi, this is Hannah. Thanks for opting in to test our demo. I'm going to make up a fake email. So let's do my email. We'll do like this plus. So I just sent the email. You can go ahead and do this yourself. We're going to train the AI very quickly so that you can see how this works. Now, so that you understand this, this will work on your Instagram account, on your Facebook account, in your WhatsApp, on your website, through text messaging. If you missed a phone call, the AI will text that person back for you so that you have someone handling all of this right here. So what do I mean by Instagram? If someone comments on one of your Instagram posts, because I do know that some insurance professionals use Instagram, if they send you a DM, the AI will jump in and handle everything and do an entire sales process for you. So first, for this example, we're going to fill out, I do need to use the same email address that I used here. Oh, it already filled it. So I'm going to put down a fake phone number. So what's the name of my business? Let's just say Lincoln Insurance. What would you like the AI name to be? Let's name it Bart. I don't know why. I like the Simpsons. What type of business do we run? Insurance. Let's say life insurance, right? What's the best selling service? Are life insurance policies, right? So we're going to create our custom AI bot. Now we're going to go back to here, and we're going to get into the demo of how this operates. And I'm going to be quite difficult with it. I'm going to give it pushback, and I'm going to see how we can do this, right? So thank you. I just saw your form submission. Your custom demo will begin in a few seconds after this message. Please respond to the upcoming message as you're a customer interested in services related to Lincoln Insurance, right? So this is what your company would be named. If you're ready, please type the word start. So now we're going to start this. So now Bart is going to be acting like your personal assistant for your business, okay, for your specific insurance. You might sell, there's all kinds of different insurances that you can sell. Obviously, your umbrella might offer different types of insurance, but we can create different types of AI for this. And these are the things that we go over inside our Facebook group. So, hey, Nick, it's Bart with Lincoln Insurance. Thanks for reaching out. How can I assist you today? Yeah, I was looking to get some info on insurance, right? So this message can start whether someone called you, someone texted you, you missed a phone call, someone commented on your Facebook, someone sent you a message on Instagram, someone sent you a message in LinkedIn. Anywhere your AI can take over the entire conversation and speak with someone, and we can create it to where it can be to set up a Zoom call to sell the policy. Most insurance agents and most brokers have, they have to be on the call. So the idea is whatever end result you want, we can create that for you. And again, we go over this in the Facebook group. So what specifically are you looking to know about life insurance? Are you interested in getting a new policy, or do you have questions about existing one? I'm looking for a new policy, but I'm concerned about price, right? Now, obviously, since this is a demo, it's going to probably make up the prices, but we can train it and show and make it be whatever it is that your company sells. So let's say you have a bunch of leads that come in. Your job is to make these phone calls. The AI can go out and text these people and say, hey, Nick, I saw you filled out the form. Your name came across my desk the other day, and I wanted to reach out to you if you still had questions about life insurance, if you still had questions about, car insurance. So what kind of coverage are you looking for? Term life, whole life, or something else? This will help me give you better details on the idea of the cost. Term life is what I was inquiring about, right? So as you're in your other meetings, you're doing your emails, you're handling your business, you're not missing the influx of people while the AI goes out and basically qualifies them, gives them the information that is specific to your business, your insurance company that you currently work for, and it's handling all of this, and it's following up, right? So term life is a great choice. How much coverage are you thinking about? Like 100,000, 250,000, probably around 250K is best. Okay. So we have this here going through and talking with them. Now, for example, in a minute, I'm going to give pushback. So I'm going to say, that's expensive. The common smoke screens that insurance professionals get, really any salesperson gets. They reached out to you, they signed up for something, they requested information, your company gave you these leads, or you purchased these leads. For 250 life policy, prices can vary based on the age, health, and term length. Roughly could be around 20 or 30 a month for 20-year term if you're good health. Does that fit within your budget? Not really. I have another company that is offering 10 for the same type, right? I don't know if this is just an example, right? So we can put your numbers in here, your tiers for term life policies, car insurance, any insurance that you're working for. Now the other thing is that this also is hooked up obviously to ChatGPT, and so it speaks any language. So I'm curious, why do you feel that way? Is it because of the price difference? See, now it's going through, and it's going through the objection handling flow to kind of get them more engaged and understand, so that when you're on a call with them, you have everything you need to be successful in making this sale. Yeah, it seems expensive when I have someone else offering $10 cheaper. That's $120 a year savings for the same coverage. So I'm just being difficult on it. Now, what it will do is it's going to go through the entire objection handling flow, and whatever you want to set this up for, whether it be to set up a Zoom call, to set up a phone call, to sell it for you, we can create that end goal. So suppose it wasn't what you thought it was. What if we could offer you additional benefits or better services for that extra cost? Would that make a difference to you? Okay. What is included in that? Right? So again, this is a demo. It's just making this up right now. But with your specific packages your specific products. We can train the AI of what we have, and depending on all the different ways or all the different pushback from multiple different types of clients, it will adjust, making sure that it's kind of resonating with their specific situation. So we offer additional benefits like accelerated death benefits, flexible term length, and exceptional customer service. Is that, if there was a way to get those extras, would the appointment help? Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that could help. I was thinking about death benefits because I am 60 years old now. And so at this point, the end goal for this specific demo is to get you set up with a Zoom call or a phone call. And so it's not going to sell the product. It's just selling that meeting for you as the insurance professional to get on a call with a qualified customer by handling all the objections. And as we know, ChatGPT is 1,000 times smarter than any human on Earth. And so with that being said, it's going through all of its database of how to sell. So great, glad to hear that. Would you like to book a call with Nick, the owner, to discuss this further? I can offer 2 slots, tomorrow at 10 or Thursday at 2. Which works best for you? 2 p.m. Thursday. Is it Eastern time? I'm in Pacific time, but 2 p.m. Eastern would work for me, right? And so now it just made an entire appointment for you. It got the client to set up a call. It looked at your calendar, scheduled the call, and now you have a calendar invite on your phone in the next, 3 minutes, and you have all the notes inside your database. So this is how this works. And this is how you can save so much time. So Thursday at 2, could you please provide your email so I can get the appointment details? I'll just paste that email again. And what it will do is schedule a call on your calendar and the client's calendar. It will look at the availability for when you are available, like here tomorrow at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. Now, if you had an appointment already at 10 or 2, it would adjust it and say, okay, tomorrow at 3 and Thursday at 9 a.m. It will adjust to the available appointments. Thanks. I'll send you the appointment details. Talk to you then, right? And so obviously this is a demo. It's not going to send me an appointment, but here is where you can mess around with this to see for yourself how this will work. In that onboarding, in this link right here, you can go through and just, talk about your best selling services, what type of business you run, and then you can come back here and test it out. So obviously your AI demo is now complete. I hope you enjoyed it. Just to clarify, that was a mock appointment and not a real one. If you'd like, you can set up an appointment with us, but we want you to get into the Facebook group so that we can give you one-on-one help. We're only taking in 100 insurance professionals as of right now to help launch this for you in your own insurance platform, your own business, your own CRM, and everything like that. So I hope this helped, and I will see you on the inside our Facebook group. Talk to you soon.